Did you know you can secure your Facebook account even after you're gone? With a legacy contact, you can choose someone you trust to manage your account if it's ever memorialized. Today, I'll show you how to set up a Facebook legacy contact step by step, safely and professionally. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we turn normal users into smart digital guardians. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact method to set up a legacy contact on Facebook, ensuring your account is in safe hands and giving you peace of mind. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Facebook. Open your Facebook app on mobile. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Open menu. Tap the three-dot menu, top right on mobile. Step 3. Go to Settings. Tap Settings and Privacy, Settings. Step 4. Enter Meta Account Center. Scroll down and tap Meta Account Center. Step 5. Access Personal Details. Tap Personal Details, Contact Info. Before we start, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more privacy, security, and Facebook tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss important account protection tutorials. Now let's secure your Facebook account with a legacy contact. Step 6. Add legacy contact. Tap Add Mobile Number or Legacy Contact option if available. Enter the phone number of the trusted person you want to designate as your legacy contact. Step 7. Verify and save. Enter the code sent to your phone to verify. Press save. Boom. Your legacy contact is now set. Extra benefits. Ensures your Facebook account is handled safely after memorialization. Trusted person can manage posts, profile photo, and friend requests. Peace of mind, knowing your digital legacy is protected. Optional. You can also allow your legacy contact to download your posts if you want. Now you know how to set up a Facebook legacy contact in 2026, keeping your account secure and your digital memories protected. If this helped you, like the video, share it with friends and family for digital safety. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more advanced Facebook security tutorials. Remember, protecting your digital life today is peace of mind for tomorrow.